I'm good. How are you?
I'm doing okay. How about yourself?
Okay, fine. So I'll give you my introduction first and then we'll start the demo section here. So I'm sure you know how much you and I have a
I'm
mic
sorry.
and
All
audible
right,
to you.
I'm unable to hear you very well.
Okay,
Give me
fine.
give me 1 second. Let me switch computers, okay? I
Okay,
think
fine.
it might be the mic. Yeah, give me 1 second.
Fine.
Yeah, thank you. Sure, don't. So I'm gonna go ahead and leave this screen, okay? I'm gonna move up to the other one.
Okay, fine. Not
Yeah.
an issue.
Okay.
Recording in progress.
All right. Can you hear me now?
Yeah, I can hear.
All right.
So I'll give you my introduction first, and then I'll give you the demo for CompTIA Network Plus. So,
All
my
right.
name is Mohammed Shuaib, and I have a 9 years experience in this background, like in IT background. I teach many students like from US, Canada, Australia, and globally in all over the world. And I provide the training for the CompTIA certification as well as I also provide the training for the Microsoft Azure and AWS cloud. Okay, so this is my core subject is about the security side. I provide the training for the cyber security as well as the ethical hacking also. So this is about me, and you can just little bit your introduction about yourself so I can understand that. Thank you.
Sure. So again, my name is Valerie, right? And so I have been in the computer, IT field for a little bit over 3 years now.
Okay.
So I work as an information system security officer. And yeah, I have a couple of certificates. Again, most of them that I got them exactly from Pinnacle, right? And I'm pretty much interested in rebrandishing my ideas in IT. And that's the reason why I'm trying to go back again to the roots because starting IT, I did not build my foundation right. So again, being in the IT field, I think it's important that you have the base, and I believe that Network Plus is one of those base that will kind of like help me stand out, will help me kind of like understand multiple key concepts that can help me leverage my ideas to my industry. So
I
yeah.
see. For your introduction. That is good. You are planning for the background, like you are wanted to learn the network program, future is something for the security and
I'm
many
I'm s- I'm,
certification.
I'm sorry, Mohammed, but your speaker
A minute.
is yeah, it's I don't know, your line is breaking and then your speaker, I can barely hear you. It's like there's an echo.
Just a minute. Let me check.
Okay.
Am I audible clear?
Say that again.
Am I audible clear?
Yeah, I can hear. I think I can hear a little bit much better compared to last time.
Okay, fine. So now I give you the basic demo about what we are learning in CompTIA Network Plus. So I'll give you the demo today. So you can understand that what is the technology here and what we are going to learn. Okay. So
Okay.
here you can see that my screen, right?
Yep.
Okay, fine. So here I wanted to show you about the CompTIA Network Plus course. This is the course here that we are going to learn. Okay, and here we need to understand about like what is they are providing to us and what technology here we need to understand. Okay, so like
Okay.
in the official website here we can see that. So after the completing this certification, okay, so we are able to do the configuration. We are understand the troubleshooting part. We can do the configuration. Also, we can manage the network. Okay. Once we get the ability of the skill. Okay. So here you can see that they are mentioned here about like what points you are getting to understand. Okay. What
Okay.
particular major points you can able to do that, you get the knowledge, you get the skills. Okay. So here you can see that you are actually you get the expert in troubleshooting, network troubleshooting. Also, you get the expert in network security and protocols understanding, as well as also you are getting to understand about what is the routing and what is the switching. Okay, so that's all
Okay.
points you are understand after completing this course. And also here you can see that what skill will you learn. So basically here you are learning the network concepts, you updating your network concepts. Also you understand how you can able to define the network infrastructure. Also you understand here the network operations, network security, also network troubleshooting and tools. That points you are going to learn here. Okay.
Okay.
Second, you need to understand here the jobs. Okay, after completing and after once you get the certification, so you can apply for which profile. So as here you can see that the junior network administrator, network field technician, okay, and many more categories here you can see that. So it's depending on the requirement. You can apply for this job role. Okay, and
Okay.
also here in left hand side here you can see that the many companies are approaching after completing the network plus. So you can see that the valuable certificate, this is the valuable certification. After completing the certification you can apply for the multiple roles. Okay, it's depending on the requirement we can apply it. So
Okay.
now I just come to the exam details. Okay, so you need to also understand the exam details also. So exam code is N10-007. This is the exam code. And also here we need to understand about like what is the pattern of the exam. Okay, so the CompTIA are providing the that is the key concepts like here they are just covering some points like multiple choice question, as well as they are also give the scenario based question. So this is the main part we need to understand here. And if I'm talking about the question, so maximum they are asking 90 questions. Sometimes they are asking 80 or 85 questions also, but at least they are maximum 90 questions they are asking in the exam. As I said, the type of the question. So here you can see that the multiple choice question and performance based question also they are asking in the exam. So performance based question in the sense what, like they give the scenario, we have to just do the drag and drop. Okay, and we have to complete that the scenario. I'll come to that point also whenever we start the session. I'll give you tips and tricks for that, how you can easily clear the exam. Like my all students, like after completing this study, I provide the exam tips. So they basically study that the tips and they easily clear this exam. So So don't worry about the exam, but you have to understand that all points. Okay. And
Okay.
second part here, we need to understand the time length. Time length is also 90 minutes. Okay. So we have to prepare. Once we have to prepare for the exam, then we have to book the exam slot. That is very important here. And
Okay.
also we can see that the passing score, at least we have to achieve the 720 out of the 900. Okay, 900 is the scale. Okay, 100 to 900 is the scale. So at least we have to achieve 720 score, then we can clear this certification. Okay, and yeah, this is about the exam details. Okay, there is the languages, depending on the requirement, which language you are comfortable with that. So basically, we are choosing the English language. Okay, so it's about the language choices. Okay, so this is about the exam details. Now I come to the objectives, like what we are learning in CompTIA Network Plus. Okay, so I
Hold
just
on, before you move to the objective, can you scroll down a little bit?
yeah, sure.
So it says here that the price, what is the price for? Is that for the exam voucher or?
This is for the exam voucher. You can just click here and you get the more information. Okay. Like
Okay.
also you can contact to the team here that from the SSIT team, they can guide you for the how you can book the exam and what discount you are getting if you want to apply for the exam. So they can guide to you also.
Okay.
Here you can see that this is the exam voucher price. If you want to book from the official website, so voucher price is 190 USD. Okay.
Okay.
But if you want all including price like labs, like ebooks and everything, so you have to you have to give the price 338, as here you can see that like 338 you are getting everything here, like here you can see that the more details you can see that here. So they are providing the labs, they are providing the ebooks. Okay, so that bundle they are providing to you. Like here you can see that the two voucher quality you are getting here. Like basically why they are offering that, like sometimes candidates not able to clear in first time, so they can use another voucher and apply for the exam. So that
Okay.
pattern they have. So not an issue about that, not an worry. They can guide to you. The organization, they can guide to you how you can proceed and how you can do that. Now I come to the objective. Now you are understand, right? This point you are understand.
Yep, I understand. Yep.
Okay, that's cool. That's cool. Yeah. So here you can see that in my screen, the objective that we need to understand here. So basically, I just scroll down and I'll show you that. So here you can see that the exam objective. Okay, so I prefer exam objective, and I provide to the training like proper like preparation for the examination, and step by step I provide the take the module, and people can understand that what exactly we have to learn. Okay, so this is my pattern. Okay, so I'll just come to point to candidate to student, so student can easily understand for the exam objective, as well as the main points I cover for the examination. Also I cover for the real life environment, I also cover here, so you can understand that like in real environment what they are do the infrastructure work and how they can define the network and all. So here you can see that the total 5 domains we have to cover here. Okay, so domain number 1, here you can see that the networking concept. Second domain, infrastructure. Third domain, network operations. Fourth domain, the security. And fifth domain, troubleshooting and tools. So this is the 5 domain we have to cover here. And in the 30 hours, we can complete this 5 domains. Okay, you clear my point?
Yes, I got it.
Okay. So as here you can see that we have to cover step by step all particular that points we have to cover here. Like we need to understand the protocols, what is the importance of the OSI layer. Also, we need to understand here the routing and switching. Okay. So I provide you the materials as well as I provide you my books also. So you can study from there also. And daily we are taking the class like a 2-hour class we are taking daily. So
Okay.
that is the perfect for you, I think so. And if you are comfortable
Yes.
with like a per day 3 hours, so we can apply. We can do that also. We can proceed for that also. But if you are comfortable with the 2 hours, so that's okay. And if you are comfortable with 3 hours, so that is also okay for me. Okay. So this is the time length. Like in 30 hours, we can complete the CompTIA and plus 6 subject. Okay.
Okay. All right. Sounds good.
Okay, fine. So this is the basic about the exam objective. Now, what we are going to learn, how we can going to learn here, that point also very important here. So I can explain you that also. I have my own slides, so I'll prefer that, and also I provide you the ebook. That ebook is a very useful for the examination. I'll show you that which particular ebook I'm going to use here, so you can go for it. I'll provide you the CompTIA official book here that I have. Okay, so basically I'm using this book and I'll provide to my candidates, my students, so they can easily understand and easily clear this exam in the first try. And also I have exam questions. Okay, so I provide to that so candidate can understand easily what they are going to learn here and how they can easily understand. So this is the official book from CompTIA. I provide you this book, and also I have my particular one more book, so you can learn from there as well. So that is very important to for the candidates can easily get the point like step by step and also understand very easily from using this material.
Okay. Sounds good.
And for the practicals, I'll provide you here like one software I'm using here. Like this is a virtual software. Okay, so we are going to use virtual software. I have VMware software also, and also I have a packet tracer. So we are going to use this particular tool for the practices. This is a packet tracer software. So
Yeah.
for the network structure, how we can build the network, how we can uh, apply the routers, switching, and all. So that particular tool we are going to use here for the practices. Okay, and one more for the devices. Like if you want to connect with multiple devices, so for that we are going to use the VMware Workstation Pro. So this two tools we are going to configure, and you can see here like the multiple systems I configure here in my system. So we are going to use that as well. Okay, and here I'll show you that like how you can do the troubleshooting whenever you are facing some problem in the network and all, how you can do that.
Okay. Are we gonna do any sort of patching?
Sorry.
Are we gonna do patching? Any kind of patching, like patching software or patching, an application and stuff like that?
I'll provide you the application like the packet tracer. Also, I'll provide you the link for the VMware as well. So you can use that also. And this is very comfortable to easily understand that. So that's why I
Mm-hmm.
provide to the candidates just use this application for as a beginner level. We have to use this application so you can easily understand.
Sounds good.
So You feel free now if you have any more questions, so you can ask me.
Yeah, so what I was thinking was, um we can start on Tuesday.
Okay, from
Okay.
Tuesday.
Yeah, so we
Okay,
have Tuesday, Thursday,
okay.
and so Tuesday, Thursday, and let me see.
Uh,
Is
okay. Can I know your time zone? Like from what time zone you are?
Eastern time zone?
Eastern. Just a minute.
Yeah.
Okay. Eastern time zone. Now you're 9 p.m., right?
Yes, my time right now is 9:52
3.
p.m.
Okay, fine. And mine is 7:23 a.m. So now
Okay.
here is your
So
Friday, Friday 3rd.
yeah, you guys already on Friday. We're still on Thursday.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're still in Thursday. Yeah. So what we can do is we can do Tuesday, right?
Okay.
So Tuesday and so Tuesday, Thursday, and I was hoping that Friday, yeah,
Okay.
Friday, we can do Friday. Yeah, Tuesday, Thursday, and Friday.
Okay.
All right. The time will be 9:30.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Just a minute. 9:30.
Yes, 9:30.
Uh, that is 9:30. 9:30 to uh, uh 11.
Say that again.
9:30 to 11, right?
Yes, 9:30 my time to 11.
Okay.
Yeah, so
9:30
let's
9:30 p.m., right?
9:30 p.m. Correct.
Okay, 9:30 p.m. to 11 p.m. we have to take the class. Okay, not an issue. I'm okay with that. Or else, if you can earlier, if you want to start the class like 8 p.m. So I'm okay with that as well, if you want.
So 8 p.m. I am actually so at 8 p.m. I'll be driving because I need to go pick up,
Okay,
somebody at work and yeah.
okay, not an issue, not an issue. So we can start from the 9:30, okay, and then we'll
Okay.
continue like 11 p.m.
Sure. I mean either 9:30 or 9 o'clock. Okay.
Yeah, nine
So
o'clock is also okay for me, not an issue.
okay, fine then. Let's do it 9 o'clock. Okay.
Yeah,
That
yeah.
way, we can stop at 11.
Correct, correct. So that is
Yeah.
good for me as well.
Okay, sounds good.
I hope you understand that. Thank you for the demo session, and I hope you understand the points that we are going to
Yep.
cover. And
Yep.
we just discuss with them, and then we'll start the session.
Sounds good to me.
If you have any more questions, so you can ask. Feel free.
Uh, for now, no, I do not have any more questions. Oh, wait, I do have a question. So you did mention that you have been doing this for the past 5 years. So what do you do on your normal, job?
Uh, about the normal job, like once you complete the certification, so you have to apply for the position, like particular which position you are going to apply, like a technician, like assistant, also like the junior network engineer. Okay. So
Yes.
as a beginner, you have to learn the concepts. That is very important. Once you get the expert in router and switcher, router switch and firewall as well, so you can apply for the senior level job like L3 level job you are getting. So you can apply for the ISP also. You can apply for the network infrastructure also, and there is many other domains you can apply for it. It's depending on the experience. Like if you are getting the more and more experience, you can apply for the multiple job roles. And in future, if you want to go for the security side, so you can apply for that also. You can study the security plus also, and then you can apply for the security infrastructure engineer as well.
So my question was like you, right? This my question. What are you doing in your job, in your civilian job right now? Like, what
My
is your
job,
role? Mhm.
yeah, my role is like a system security admin right now. I work with one company here, so I provide the security checkpoints for the firewalls. Like I work for the firewalls as well. So for the many premises, they have a firewall devices. Okay, so I'll
Okay.
take care for that also. I'm monitoring the network also. Like they are having the malicious, they have attacks from some another like network. So I maintain everything. Like I maintain the firewall, I maintain the security, I maintain the also the devices as well. So that is my role there. And I provide the security and monitor the tools also. And I'll provide the
Okay.
training for the corporates also, so they can understand, they can take care of the network as well. And
Okay.
part time I work the freelancing, like I teach to the globally, like a students like N plus, like A plus, pen test also, AWS cloud. Okay, so this is my background actually.
Okay. All right. Cool. Cool. And so, can you explain a little bit? How did you get to that level?
About me, I start my journey from as a trainer. Okay, so like when I just complete my graduation, then I'll just brush up my now knowledge first, and I'll just join one institute, and I'll start the learning there, and I provide the training there also. Like I learn from the institute and my seniors also, and I start my journey like that, and I'll start the
Okay.
completing the certification. I have A plus certification, N plus certification, security plus certification, pen test also I done, and recently I complete cloud plus and CompTIA plus also. So I just complete, and I update myself. Right now in this position also, nowadays I learning. Daily at least 1 hour I learning some new technology. So that is my way how we can achieve the goals. And I really interested for in this background to understand day to day new technologies and new concepts. That is very important here. If you want to come into the IT background, so daily you have to update yourself. That is very very important.
Right. Right. Makes sense. Makes sense. All right. Well, with that said, no big deal. Okay. Just we'll meet up. We will talk some more, and then kickstart
Definitely.
the class on Tuesday.
Yeah, sure, definitely.
All right. All right. Thank you so much. So your name is Mohammed, right?
Yeah, Mohammed. And
Mohammed.
you, Valerie, right?
Yeah, Valerie. Uh-huh.
Okay, Valerie. Nice to
All
meet
right,
you.
Mohammed. Nice meeting you too. All right, you take care, okay? All
Okay,
right,
bye
we'll talk
bye.
on Tuesday. All right,
Yeah,
bye-bye.
sure. Bye bye. Take care.
Take care.